Children, see the question number 7. Answer in your own words. You have to write down these answers, detailed answers. Long answers are these. A. Explain with the help of a diagram how soil is formed. See here page number 6. Open your textbook, page number 6. Got it? Then it is given page number 6, last paragraph, the process of soil formation. Last paragraph given at the bottom. Complete paragraph you have to write down. The soil on the land is formed from there to the last word, mature soil to form. Okay, that will be the answer. And diagram you had drawn 1.8. That diagram is necessary for this answer. But once you had drawn, it is not necessary. If you want to practice, it is good and well. Then B question. Why is there shortage of water even though it occupies about 71% of Earth's surface? I had written this answer here. Though water occupies about 71% of Earth's surface, out of it 97% of water is available in the seas and oceans. It is very salty. That is the first point. A very small quantity of water is potable. Second point. Therefore, we experience a shortage of water. Okay. I had written the answer of B and D. Two answers written and two answers you have to write down from the textbook. Again question C. What are the various constituents of air? Write their uses. For that, come to the page number 2. Got it? Orange box. Name of various gases and uses is written. You have to write down it completely. Okay? And along with that, you will draw the diagram also 1.3 which is given above the orange box. If you had drawn, no need of drawing the again, but if you wish to practice, it is good and well. Now D. Next question. Why are air, water and land considered to be valuable natural resources? For that, you have to write down the answer point wise. All living things on the earth are associated with air, land and water. Second point, we use them to fulfill our requirements. Okay. So in this way, you have to complete the exercise, write the exercise, and you know that next day we will start the new lesson. So after finishing this complete exercise, you have to learn also. Okay? You have to read the lesson also, because we may take test on any day. Then you will prepare yourself for the next lesson. Your next lesson is the living world. Okay? Again, just like the first lesson, you will make the two columns of the page. You will search the new words. You will search its meaning. And if time permits, you will write down the new words also in the copy. Okay? So that when I will explain you this lesson, it will become easy for you to understand. Okay? Thank you.